When it comes to tech, not much can be achieved without speed and power, and even though battery tech in 2025 is better than ever, you won't want to find yourself with a dead battery and no outlet in sight, or stuck with an old charger that supports speeds slower than a snail. So as battery capacities improve, so does the charging tech, and that's why I'm excited to show you these 3 incredible charging solutions from CukTech that will improve how you power your devices more efficiently going forward. So we're talking about a beast of a power bank, which is surprisingly small given its incredible capacity. I've also got a super fast GAN 300-watt wall charger here, and a miniaturized version of it, which is far more pocketable, and this one is a 65-watt GAN 3 powerhouse. So if you're ready to say goodbye to battery anxiety and hello to ultimate charging freedom, let's jump straight into it. First up, we have the CukTech 15 Power Bank Ultra. It's a 20,000 milliamp monster with an impressive 210 watt combined output. But what surprised me the most about this one is how compact it is. It's roughly the size of a Red Bull can, and this one actually has some unique features on it that I've never seen on a power bank before. The official code name on this one is the PB200U. So most phones do have a battery size of around 5,000 milliampere. This means that this power bank can charge your phone from 0 to 100% around 4 times. And thanks to its 140 watt charging speed on a single USB-C port, it can also charge larger devices such as your laptop or handheld gaming devices at their fastest speeds. There are 3 ports on board, 2 USB-C ports and a USB-A, and all of which can be used simultaneously. But do keep in mind, in this scenario, the combined split output will be that maximum 210 watts, with the USB-A port obviously being the slower of the 3. So this does mean that this power bank could be perfect for charging a laptop, a tablet, and a phone simultaneously. And the great thing is, it does it fast. So I did put this to the test, and I ran my Huawei MateBook laptop all the way down, and this CukTech power bank managed to get it from 0 to 24% in just 30 minutes, and it used around 40% of its own battery. So this does make the CukTech 15 Ultra perfect for travelers or for your business trips, also for digital nomads or anyone who needs serious power on the go. Now, as you know, every power bank can be recharged via a single cable, but let me know in the comments, have you seen this before? If you plug in a second USB-C cable from a wall outlet, the CukTech 15 Ultra engages its unique recharging feature. It's called Beast Mode, and when you charge in this way, it can receive 165 watts of recharge power, which does mean when it's empty, you can get it back to 100% incredibly quick, faster than any other power bank of this size that I've seen. So that to me is definitely a standout feature. And the design is also really nice here too. So you have a button up front. This allows you to toggle through 3 different modes by pushing and holding to toggle through and select things. But something I absolutely love about CukTech power banks is their heads-up displays. So here you can see exactly how much wattage is being used by each port. You can also see the overall percentage of battery reserves left in it. And when you are recharging the power bank, you can even see the exact time needed to reach 100%. So for me, this power bank ticks a lot of boxes. It's great for recharging multiple devices simultaneously or rapid charging individual devices. It comes with a nice carry pouch and a capable charging cable in the box for the maximum speeds. It's compact, it keeps you visually informed, it has specific modes, and it's definitely one of the best looking 20,000 milliampere power banks that I've ever seen. The only downside to this, really, if you can call it that, is its weight, which in my opinion is a small burden to endure for so much portable power. And the price on this one at the time of this video is $89.95 in the UK and $99.99 in the US, and there will be affiliate links below this video so you can get the most up-to-date prices. Next up, we have a game changer for travel and for at home. It's the CukTech 100-watt wall charger powered by GAN 3 technology. And you might be wondering, what is GAN? Well, it stands for gallium nitride, and it basically means the charger is smaller, faster, and more efficient than the traditional chargers that you might get bundled in, or like we used to get bundled in with our smartphones. But this one can output 100 watts, which is enough to quickly charge most laptops while still having enough juice left over to charge your phone at the same time. Just like the CukTech 15 Ultra power bank, it has 3 ports. So if you are going to use this at home, you can free up one of your plug sockets on a power strip or on a wall outlet and really maximize the amount of devices that it can charge from that one wall socket. Plus, it's got 8 different safety features built in to protect you and your devices. So thanks to this, you can rest assured that you won't end up like Marv in Home Alone. So for me, there's lots of upsides to this particular charger. It's compact, it's lightweight, it's easy to travel with, and it delivers speed and high power output without putting your devices in danger. Now, the fact that this charger is harnessing the latest GAN 3 charger tech does mean that it costs a little more than your regular slow chargers. The price on this one in the US at the time of this video is $39.99. And once again, in the description, there will be affiliate links for the most up-to-date prices in your region. And I do believe the $39.99 price point is well worth it, especially when you consider the fact that it ships with a 240 watt USB-C to C cable in the box. Now, last but not least, this one here is for anyone who likes to travel light and as light as possible. And it's also ideal for anyone who just needs a charger that hits the optimal phone charging speeds of up to 65 watts, which is well above what an iPhone needs. But the bonus here is that at the same time, you still have the option to charge other devices and even bigger devices like laptops. So this one is called the CukTech 65 watt GAN fast charger, codename AD653CEU. That EU bit is probably specific to mainland Europe. Just like the other two, it has 3 ports, but a lower 65 watt peak charging speed due to its smaller stature, but it's still perfect for charging multiple devices. So if you are going to use just a single USB-C port, you can charge a laptop at 65 watts. Or if you have a faster charging phone, you can get that 65 watt speed as well. But the reality is most of the best selling phones right now are kind of capped at around 45 watts. But what really makes this one great is that it's small enough to just throw in your bag or even in your pocket for when you're on the move. So don't let the size fool you. This is a powerful charger, and once again, it does have all of the safety protocols on board, just like its bigger brother. And it's pretty stylish too. I do like this matted grey and blue version. This one is also available in white if you prefer that. The pros and cons for the 65 watt GAN 3 charger is it's small, it's lightweight, it's portable, it has multiple ports, and it is capable of charging bigger devices at 65 watts. Now, with all of that said, if you might frequently find yourself needing faster speeds for more power-hungry devices, I would recommend spending a little more money on the 100 watt CukTech GAN 3 charger, because that one will save you time and it will be fast enough for more powerful devices. So let me know, guys, which charger in this video would be right for you, and here's my thoughts on how you should think about this. If you need maximum power on the go, the 20,000 milliampere power bank is awesome. You get super fast charging and incredible recharging speeds thanks to that beast mode. And that display that it has is quite unique and very useful. However, if versatility and having a powerful output are the top priorities for you, the CukTech GAN 100 watt wall charger is definitely the way to go. But if portability is top priority, you can't really go wrong with the 65 watt GAN 3 charger from CukTech. It's a nice tidy option. So ultimately, the best charger depends on your individual needs and the devices that you use. So do consider how many devices you might need to charge at once, how much power those devices require, and also whether you prioritize portability or maximum power. Now listen, I have checked out other CukTech chargers on this channel, which I am very impressed by. I really do love what CukTech are doing in the charging space, because when it comes to speed and power delivery, when you're shopping around, you should always ask the question,
is it too much to ask for both?
Well, CukTech doesn't think so, and that's why I love their products. And if you do want to check out the prices on any of the stuff you've seen in this video, there will be affiliate links below. And if what you're looking for is even more power than 20,000 milliampere, or maybe you need capable cables, then definitely check out my other CukTech reviews. Those thumbnails should be on screen right now. If you've made it all the way to the end, just know this: I appreciate you guys the most. And if you've just subscribed, you're now one of the finest subscribers known to man, and I will see you in the next one. Don't be late.